Hi, today we're going to look at two great new products from the creators of Visiodry. The first is VisioCrystal, which is a lens cleaner suitable for visors, goggles and glasses. The second is VisioFog, which is an anti-fog wipe. So first off, let's have a look at VisioCrystal. So give it a shake, give it a squirt, and then using a clean microfibre cloth, just give it a wipe, and as you'd expect, this takes off all of the grease, fingerprints, contaminants, etc., leaving your visor nice and crystal clear. It does have the advantage that it smells fantastic as well. There we go. So now we've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this visor, put a little bit of tape across the centre of it, and I'm going to use this to demonstrate the effectiveness of VisioFog. So VisioFog comes in its own little pouch. Open the pouch and take out the VisioFog microfibre cloth. Now this will feel slightly damp to touch. What we need to do is press it onto the back of the clean visor and then just give it a rub. Give it a good wipe. And then once that's done, we can then pop this back in its little pouch for use next time. Apparently this will do up to 150 visors, so we should get some good life out of that, but keeping it in its pouch just keeps it moist and ready for next time. So we've got a tube here which is full of hot water, so we're going to use the steam to demonstrate the effectiveness of VisioFog. So now we have three complementary products which are available. VisioCrystal for cleaning, VisioFog for anti-fog, and of course the original Visiodry rain repellent. All of these are available now in your local stockist.